Okay guys, we're having this other question, like square root of this times this is equals to 10. How can we solve this? This question is just similar to the question I've just been seeing. It's not that because of this that is quite difficult. It's just like x cubed plus x equals to 10. It's just similar. Okay, in this case then we are going to solve it. How? Square root of this, that will be this time this time this, that will be x root that cube plus square root equals to 10. Since we have addition here, we know that what can be coming from here is my addition. But if it was minus, we know that you are going to take something bigger minus a small number. So as we easily solve it, we'll use a trial and error method. But I prefer using this method. For it to be really clean, I can say y is equals to x, so that you have y cubed plus y equals to 10. At this point, I think you're seeing it work. Okay, and 10 can be as what? With cube, that is 2 cube plus 2, that will be 8 plus 2. Okay, we bring everything here to have y cube plus y minus 2 cube minus 2 equals to 0. Hence, we have y minus this plus y minus 2 equals to 0. We know that y cube minus 2 cube is the same thing as what? Y minus 2 y squared plus 2y plus y plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Y minus 2 can be factorized out. And we have what? 1. Okay. 2y plus here is 2 squared, so that will be 4. Plus 1, since we had a 1 here. Plus 1. Okay. That is what we're having at this point. Hence, y minus 2 equals to 0, which implies y is equals to 2 is one of the answers. Now let's move to the other set. Is one of the answers. Hence, let's move to the other one. So from here, since y is equals to what? Root 2, root x is equals to this, which implies we have to the power half, or square root of this, we have to square both sides to have, which implies x is equals to 4. That is it now. X equals to 4. Then solve the other one. That will be y squared plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Y is equals to what? Negative 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 into 5. Square root of that all over this man. That will be what? 4 minus this, that will be 4 minus 20. That will be what? 16. The root of negative 16 all over this one. And from here, we can have what? That will be equals to negative 2. Root of 16 is 4 plus minus 4i all over this one. Okay, hence our y, let me erase here. From here, our y is equals to what? Minus 1 plus minus 2i. That is it actually. Yeah. Hence, our x is equals to what? Root x is equals to 1 plus minus 2i. Therefore, x is equals to what? Negative 1 plus minus 2i. All that square. I'm going to do it for x is equals to plus 2i, or x is equals to negative 1 minus 2i all square. All square. You're going to factorize it by yourself and drop the answer in the comment. Thank you. And now the x is equals to 4. Such that this also 4 here. I'm going to come back with the same thing. 4 here will be 2 cube and 2 here is 10.